Today what we're going to go over is a form of myofascial release. What I find with a lot of my patients who have mitochondrial insufficiency, which can show up with knots in the muscle as well as fatigue, that a tennis ball or a foam roller is too harsh. It hurts. Like even just gentle touching on their trapezius will lead to a lot of pain. For those patients, I have them take a normal bath towel, whatever one doesn't match the rest of your bath towels at home, and place 2 or 3 rubber bands around it to make a little log. These are soft, washable, and just about everybody can have access to something like this. So Nora, would you lay on your side and have the towel just kind of right around your middle rib area? That's great. Rest your head on your arm. Good. Now rock back and forth. You can use your arm that's on the hand that's on the floor to just kind of push you back and forth. So if you do that about 4 or 5 times, it starts to release some tension, especially that we carry if you've been typing or doing computer work. Now, if you would move the towel down kind of by your hip area, yeah, lay back down, and then you can use your top leg to kind of propel you back and forth to just roll on that towel. Does that feel like it's releasing any muscle tension, or you just don't have any tension?
I don't have much tension.
Try to move the towel down by kind of the middle of your thigh or the top of your thigh. Yeah. Now lay back on your side. Relax your head on your arm. So if you roll back and forth, if you've been hiking, if you've been running, mowing the lawn, this can really help to release your IT band and give you some massage on your quadriceps. Go ahead and roll, like really almost all the way on towards your stomach and then back. The next space we'll go is about 4 or 5 inches above the knee, and you can go ahead and roll back and forth. And that's also very helpful. We can hold a lot of tension there, and it doesn't have to hurt. It can actually feel pretty good and still lead to some myofascial release. My patients who have a lot of muscle tension and muscle pain, they find this is gentle enough, and the rocking motion that we use is soothing. So I especially recommend it before bed. It can help you wind down and just get ready for a little bit deeper sleep.